everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to upload YouTube Shorts on Mac. So let's get started. First thing first, open the YouTube and make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account. After that, tap on the three dashboard option available in the top left corner of your screen. It will open a slide bar on the left side. After that, scroll down and look for the YouTube Studio and tap on it. Now, once you're inside the YouTube Studio, from the left sidebar, look for the content option available there. Once you find the content, simply tap on it and then tap on the shorts. Scroll down, you'll get to see upload video option available there. Tap on it. Now look for the video you want to upload from your laptop. Once you find the video, simply tap on the done. And after that, you'll have to enter the shorts title. You can also enter the descriptions, you can use tags and all. Once the all thing is completed here, the details, then simply tap on the next option available there. There is also a age restriction option available there. Tap on it, then simply continue with the process. Again, tap on the next, then tap on the next again, and you'll get to see the public private option available there. Public your shorts and tap on the publish in order to publish it. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.